Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between a Memorandum of Understanding, commonly known as an MOU, and a Letter of Intent, commonly known as an LI. Both documents are commonly used in business, legal, commercial, and partnership discussions before entering into formal agreements. Although they may appear similar, they differ significantly in purpose, commitment level, legal effect, and practical application. Let us explore these differences one by one. Number 1. A Memorandum of Understanding is created to establish a mutual understanding between parties, whereas a Letter of Intent is used to express an intention or interest in entering into a future agreement. Number 2. A Memorandum of Understanding is generally more formal and comprehensive in nature, whereas a Letter of Intent is more preliminary and indicative. Number 3. A Memorandum of Understanding is usually prepared after initial discussions when parties have agreed on common goals, whereas a Letter of Intent is typically used during the early stages of negotiations. Number 4. A Memorandum of Understanding reflects a higher level of commitment between the parties, whereas a Letter of Intent indicates a lower level of commitment. Number 5. A Memorandum of Understanding may sometimes have legal significance depending on its wording and jurisdiction, whereas a Letter of Intent is generally non-binding and not legally enforceable. Number 6. A Memorandum of Understanding usually contains more detailed provisions and broader coverage of terms, whereas a Letter of Intent generally outlines only the key terms and objectives. Number 7. A Memorandum of Understanding confirms mutual understanding regarding roles, responsibilities, and objectives, whereas a Letter of Intent mainly indicates the intention to negotiate and finalize a contract. Number 8. A Memorandum of Understanding may create certain obligations, such as confidentiality requirements, whereas a Letter of Intent generally does not create binding obligations except in limited circumstances. Number 9. Certain clauses within a Memorandum of Understanding may be enforceable in court, whereas a Letter of Intent is usually not enforceable in legal proceedings. Number 10. A Memorandum of Understanding is commonly used between organizations, institutions, or government bodies, whereas a Letter of Intent is often used between businesses, investors, or prospective partners. Number 11. A Memorandum of Understanding may or may not involve consideration, whereas a Letter of Intent typically does not involve consideration. Number 12. A Memorandum of Understanding often includes confidentiality and non-disclosure clauses, whereas a Letter of Intent may include such clauses, but not always. Number 13. A Memorandum of Understanding usually specifies a defined duration for the understanding, whereas a Letter of Intent generally has a shorter or more limited duration. Number 14. A Memorandum of Understanding may require internal, organizational, or regulatory approvals, whereas a Letter of Intent usually does not require formal approvals. Number 15. A Memorandum of Understanding often serves as a foundation leading directly to a formal agreement or contract, whereas a Letter of Intent mainly initiates negotiations toward a future agreement. Number 16. Terminating a Memorandum of Understanding may require notice or mutual consent between parties, whereas a Letter of Intent can often be withdrawn or ended with minimal liability. To summarize, a Memorandum of Understanding is a document that establishes mutual understanding and cooperation with a greater level of commitment and possible legal significance. On the other hand, a Letter of Intent primarily expresses a future intention to enter into an agreement and generally carries less commitment and legal obligation. Understanding these distinctions helps businesses, organizations, and individuals choose the appropriate document during negotiations and partnership discussions. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.